Hi, it's Tanya from My Forking Life, and today we're in the kitchen and we're making your favorite Watergate salad. Now, if you've never heard of what Watergate salad is, it's just pretty much this green, gooey, marshmallow, pineapple-y fluff that's absolutely delicious, even though you wouldn't really think it'd be delicious. But then again, it would be. Either way, we're gonna go ahead and get to it. But before we do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you like recipe videos. All right, let's go ahead and get to it. But just a quick story about why I like Watergate salad. So when me and my husband first started dating, he was really into this salad and he would ask me to make it and I had no clue what it was. So I was like, no. So for about 8 months, he's like, can you please make me this salad? And I finally did. And if you ask him the story, he will tell you that that was when he knew he wanted to marry me, because I made him this Watergate salad. Back in the day, I followed a recipe that I found on the side of the box of pistachio pudding. Over the years, I've kind of added to it to make it the way that we like it, I like it, and I'm here to share it with you. So what we're gonna do is we are going to start with some cream cheese. Most Watergate salad recipes won't have this in it, but I like cream cheese, so I'm going to throw it up in my Watergate salad. Got 8 ounces of cream cheese here, and we are going to turn this into a whipped cream cheese frosting. So what we're gonna do is we're going to whip that cream cheese until it is nice and fluffy. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on medium speed. As you can see, our cream cheese has gotten nice and fluffy, fluffy-ish. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to add some heavy whipping cream to this cream cheese mixture, because we want it to be like a light and fluffy mixture, kind of like Cool Whip, but it's gonna have that cream cheese flavor. We're not gonna dump all this in at the same time. We're gonna pour in about we're gonna pour it in about 1/4 cup at a time. So I'm gonna turn that back on. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this up. You want to slowly incorporate that whipped cream into that cream cheese until it's light and fluffy. Throw the rest of that in there. Now, our purpose is what we're doing is we want to whip this until it gets soft peaks. We don't want to whip it too long. You don't want to get it too hard. You just kind of want a light and fluffy mixture. The key to that as well is, one, patience. It's gonna take a few minutes, probably about 4 to 5 minutes to get the soft peaks after you've added that whole cup of heavy cream. And you also wanna make sure that your heavy cream is cold. You don't want warm ingredients, because it's hard to turn warm cream into a stiffer mixture. Now, we are absolutely not at the stage of heavy cream yet, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some sugar. And not just regular sugar, I'm going to add powdered sugar at this time. And I'm going to add about 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar to this mixture before we continue to whip it. And that's going to help us get those soft peaks as well. And it's also going to give this cream mixture a nice sugary mix. I'm also going to go ahead and add a little bit of vanilla extract, about 1/2 teaspoon. Doop. And I'm going to still continue to whip this until we get soft peaks. Now I've gotten this to nice soft peaks. As you can see that, and it actually only took about 3 minutes of whipping. And you can actually taste it out if you want to. I'm gonna taste it and wash my hands. That's really good. All right. I'm gonna go wash my hands because I like my fingers, whatever. Now that we've done that, and I'm going to save this for later for me, because it literally just tastes like cream cheese whipped cream. Like, you could use it as frosting on cupcakes, whatever. Now we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients to make this Watergate salad. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to add some pistachio pudding mix, and I'm gonna lightly sprinkle that over the top, just little by little. If you try to dump the whole thing, you're gonna probably find that the mixture, you're gonna have like a little bit of grains in it. So kind of just mix that in, help get rid of the things. This one has pistachio pieces in it. I didn't realize that. Surprise for me. It's fine, it's still gonna be delicious. And now I've got 20 ounces here of crushed pineapple juice, or crushed pineapple. And I'm gonna go ahead and just throw all that undrained in there as well. We are also going to add marshmallows. We're gonna do a good healthy 3 cups of marshmallows. That's gonna help with the sweetening of the salad as well, and the texture. And I've also got about a cup of chopped pecans. Just dump that in there as well. And then get a nice big spatula and just mix it up in this bowl. You don't understand all the goodness that is going on in this bowl right now. Like, you're probably like, what in the world is that? I swear, it is so good. And you can play around with these ratios if you want. If you like more pecans, add more pecans. If you think you like more marshmallows, add more marshmallows. This was the ratio that I actually preferred and loved. And yeah, you're just gonna give it a good mix. And it's gonna look like Lucky Charms. But it's so good, I promise. That's pretty much it. Sometimes I dig in right now, but what we're gonna do is we are going to cover this and we're gonna refrigerate it for about a few hours. That helps, one, infuse those flavors, makes it a little bit, I don't know, I just do it. I'm saying it infuses the flavors, but I'm telling you kind of don't want to eat this while it's warm. It tastes a little bit weird when it's warm. You do want it chilled. So we're going to go ahead and cover it, and we're going to chill it, and then we're going to serve it 2 hours later. So I've got some saran wrap here. Boom. We're just going to go ahead and cover this, or if you've got any other bowl covers, you can even also put it in the container you're going to serve it in, whether it be a glass bowl or another fancy bowl, and then cover it. But either way, this salad is best served chilled. And the great thing is that you can make it ahead of time. You can make it days ahead. It will last in your fridge for about 3 to 4 days before you kind of like, I don't know if I want to eat it anymore. But yeah, such an easy dessert. Bada bang. All right. Got it. Bye. I'm back. All right, and our salad has a nice chill to it. So let's go ahead and take off our plastic wrap. You can leave it in the big clear bowl if you want. If you want to put it in your fancy bowl, you can do that as well. Don't fall. This is my fancy bowl. And that's, there you have it. I mean, pretty much it's a dessert salad. You serve it on a big spoon on your, get a big spoonful and put it in your plate and enjoy. Yum, yum, yum. All right, don't forget to subscribe if you like this recipe. And until the next time,